Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Reister, and we're going to be going through example 3. A football team receives a 5-yard penalty on one play. This means they lost yards or have to go backwards, and a 10-yard penalty on the next. Part A is to write a sum of negative integers to represent this situation. So when I read this, the first thing I see is the word sum. And the word sum stands out to me, meaning addition. So one way to think about this is to write an addition problem with negative integers to represent this situation. So I know I'm going to add. So now I need to figure out, well, what am I adding? So in the problem, it says that there's a 5-yard penalty, and it means that they lost yards. So to represent those 5 yards that they lost, I can represent that with a negative integer, -5. And then they also lost 10 yards. And so that 10-yard penalty is another loss. So a -10 would be my second integer. So the sum of negative integers to represent this situation would be -5 plus -10. Part B, evaluate your expression from Part A to find the total number of yards lost. Now we're giving you a hint. It says you can use a number line or counters if needed. So I'm going to rewrite my problem down here, -5 plus -10. And one way I can think about it would be with counters. So I have 1 negative, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I can add to that ten more negatives. And I'm just marking mine with a negative rather than having them be red, which would be a negative counter. I'm just marking mine with a negative. So I see here that I've got 5 negative counters, and I have now added to that 10 negative counters for a total of 15 negative counters. And to apply this to this problem, the football team lost a total of 15 yards, or they had a penalty total of 15 yards, meaning they went backwards on the football field 15 yards. Thanks for watching.